Neil Armstrong, along with Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins, set off on Apollo 11, a mission with the audacious goal of landing on the moon. The entire world watched with bated breath as they embarked on their epic journey. As the world held its breath, Armstrong skillfully piloted the lunar module Eagle towards the moon's surface. The descent was fraught with tension and challenges, but his expertise and composure prevailed. On July 20, 1969, as millions watched on television, Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. His famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe, uniting humanity in a shared moment of awe and inspiration. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon during NASA's historic Apollo 11 mission. Their stay on the lunar surface lasted approximately 21 hours and 36 minutes. During this time, they conducted a series of groundbreaking experiments and collected valuable data. They deployed scientific instruments, such as seismometers, to study moonquakes, and they collected lunar soil and rock samples, which would later provide critical insights into the moon's geology and its connection to Earth's history. This momentous event in human history marked a significant milestone in our understanding of the moon and the broader universe. After returning to Earth, Neil continued to make significant contributions to space exploration, working on various NASA missions. However, he remained a humble and private individual, always emphasizing the importance of teamwork and collaboration in achieving monumental goals. The cost of the entire Apollo 11 mission was a significant investment for NASA and the United States. The mission's price tag, which included the development of the Saturn V rocket, spacecraft, and all associated costs, was estimated to be around $25.4 billion in 1969. Adjusted for inflation, this would be equivalent to approximately $150 billion in today's currency. The Apollo program as a whole was a massive undertaking, reflecting the commitment of the U.S. government to space exploration during the space race with the Soviet Union. Neil Armstrong's last moments were marked by a quiet and humble life out of the public eye. After his historic moonwalk and subsequent NASA missions, he chose to live a private and relatively low-profile life. Armstrong retired from NASA in 1971 and took up a teaching position at the University of Cincinnati, where he shared his knowledge and passion for aviation and engineering with students. Neil Armstrong passed away on August 25, 2012, due to complications from cardiovascular surgery. His death marked the loss of an iconic figure in space exploration. Despite his fame and historic achievements, Armstrong remained a humble and down-to-earth individual throughout his life, focusing on his family, his passions, and his desire to inspire future generations. His legacy lives on, not only on the surface of the moon, but also in the hearts and minds of those who continue to reach for the stars. As we conclude this chapter of global success stories, let Neil Armstrong's indomitable spirit remind us to aim for the stars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more incredible tales of triumph.